Hey guys, this is Dr. Strater, your Cocoa Beach chiropractor, and we're doing another video today. And today we've got a special guest, the one and only Dr. Jana. So I'm going to show you that chiropractors get adjusted too, because it's a very important part of staying healthy. So we're going to start off with doing our normal check here, using our hands like we do with most patients in our office. And we're going to use our drop table. One more time. Good. Restore the motion back in the hips. We always find a tight spot right here. It must be the stress that I give her. Good. And a little bit up here. Great. Feeling good. All right, you can turn over now. And we're gonna check some motion in her neck. Good. And just like that, she's all adjusted. Come on up and turn this way. So, how do you feel?
I feel wonderful.
That's the answer I was looking for. So, thanks for watching. Again, this is Dr. Strater, your Cocoa Beach chiropractor, and we'll see you next time.